So what is the VariLift-C device? If you're familiar with the VariLift device for the lumbar spine, this is basically the version of that for the cervical spine. So these are a little bit smaller. You see this tapered nose here with the specially designed fluting on the threading. And you may notice this little disc right here, which is lodged inside of the overall device. And once that goes into place, there's a small driver that threads down and pushes this disc down, expanding the device within the space. And so you can see here, they're designed to be primarily one next to the other within the overall footprint of the vertebral bodies. And this gives a nice set of counterbalance, frankly, and they're both threaded in and they're very solid. So under varying amounts of your judgment of distraction and sagittal balance that you can achieve, these have excellent purchase, and you can also use these solo. And overall, again, this should not be forgotten. This is a standalone device. It's one of the few devices out there at all that's standalone, and that's a huge advantage, as you'll see. Their instrument set is right here. This is it. A few years ago, this was streamlined. There used to be a few more pieces to it, and some very fine engineering has gone into reducing this down to a number of knurled sizing devices that you can stick in to the space. This is the device that threads down and moves that disc down into place, and then these two combined together actually allow you to just implant the devices themselves, which are opened at the time after you figure out what size. And so this is a very minimalistic instrument set. Doesn't clog up the back table. There's not a lot to clean and carry around, so there are a lot of advantages, I think. Very streamlined and exquisite, actually. I think the engineering at Wenzel has been excellent.